4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Very warm welcome to our.
Good
Yeah,
morning, sir.
good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Wait, sir. Welcome to all. Thiruvallur College, Babanasam, Tirunelveli District, Tamil Nadu, India. We will organize the 6-day national level webinar, Discrimination Among the Human Being in India, and organized by Department of History, Thiruvallur College. We welcome to all. I am very glad to invite for this event on all participants and present here. And welcome to our organizing secretary, Dr. K. Rajesh, Thiruvallur College, Pavanasam. And with my best blessings of Tavathiru Kurumaga Sannidhanam, College Secretary, and my Honorable Principal, Dr. S. Sundaram, sir. Good morning, sir. And my respected HOD, Department of History, Dr. L. Ravishankar, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome, sir. And today, event resource person, Mr. Bennett, sir, Bishop Caldwell College, Thuthukudi. Yeah, welcome to all present here and all participants. And today topic is a discrimination among the women, human being in India in transgenderism. Yeah, about the session for today, transgender person they face various forms of gendered violence and harassment and discrimination both at home and in public places. The main problems that are being faced by the transgender community are for the discrimination and unemployment and lack of education, facilities, and homelessness, lack of medical facilities like HIV care and hygienic and depression and hormone bill abuse and tobacco and alcohol abuse. So many problems faced by today the transgender people. So the main purpose of selected this topic today, how to face this problem, how to challenges for transgender people. Yeah, thank you so much. Discuss about the today's session, transgenderism. Now I would like to invite respected Dr. Ravishankar sir, HOD and IQC coordinator. Sir, welcome
Okay.
sir to deliver the felicitation address. Sir, welcome sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you sir. Welcome sir.
Our respected Our Holiness Kuruma Sannidhanam, our respected Principal Dr. Sundaram sir, our Department Energetic Assistant Professor, as well as the Organizing Secretary of this webinar class, Dr. Rajesh, and the department colleagues, Dr. Madhuri and Dr. Akilam, and all the participants, and today speaker, Dr. Benedict Rajadhuri sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, Bishop Caldwell College. Today, our Thiruvallur College is getting highly proud in conducting seminars like this one. For the last we were 1 month, within 1 month, we have conducted so many quiz program and MTV program and so many webinar programs. So last 3 days back, Dr. Rajesh started this 6 days program, and today is the 3rd day. And each and every day, the speaker done well, and it was highly useful to the participants. So in the right time, the right topic, chosen by the right person, Dr. Rajesh. So really, I thank and appreciate Dr. Rajesh for arranging this program. Actually, today's topic is transgender. You know, the people, we the human or the creature of the God, we are born whether maybe men or women. But in third sex we are having that is transgender. I don't like to say more. I don't like to say more things about that one because the speaker is going to speak more. But anyhow, I think that transgender is some changes and biological changes in their body. But they are having the sixth sense. We want, like the men and what how we are behaving, that people are doing the same. But only physically they are having some difference, that's all. But instead of giving respect to them as we give respect to our regular persons, regular women or men, everyone is having some kind of hesitations, some kind of different opinion whenever they see the transgenders. I think that it's totally wrong. They are all the creatures of the God. So it's only biological changes. For example, if you know, if your infant is a child, you know, whenever you see a baby at the age of below 5, it's very quite very beauty. And whenever the baby is growing and became adult, you know, more beauty. The skin is very tough and the body is right, everything is good and it's a very beauty. But gradually, whenever the adult girl became a woman, then after became an old lady, it's a change, no? Biological changes. You can see the skin maybe some looks like some different one, and the walking some method is maybe different one, and the body structure maybe collapse sometimes. Why it's happened? It is just some biological changes in your body from beginning to till death. Like this, the girl or the boy, the man, the boy born as like we people, but gradually they make some biological changes. That's all. But what do you think? They're also thinking the same. What you do, they're also thinking the same one. There's no different at all. Only changes. That's all. But it's very sorry to say that at present day, but government has taken so many steps to uplift but there are coming up. Now, the last year I saw a newspaper, one lady became the police and they got so many government jobs and they got degrees. So many people are there, but they are coming up. It's really appreciable. So it's so that it is developing. Okay, it's a developing country. We are giving equal importance to all people. So in the constitution, what say that equality before they are also equal. So equal opportunity should be given to them. But generally, what they are not eligible to college. I don't like to give, I don't like to sit along with him. I don't like to walk along with him. I don't like to speak to him. Somebody think different. This is our own mistake. We are underestimating that people. So this kind of situation big change. Okay, they are our people, they are our brothers and sisters. So gentlemen, today's program is really a great one at present day. Something may happen, but anything that we must give due respect to them, and they are our brothers, our sisters, totally get the grace of God. God will see everyone will take everyone's step. So on thinking on having the biological status, it should not make them okay. And I wish this program, that is our discrimination among the candidates. So already Rajesh during his address, he clearly expressed under the heading, you know, in what field they are discriminated. In all fields. But some fields they are coming up. There is some that is acceptable. At the same time, we the human being, we must treat them as we are treating our all the people. That is people like our friends. So this program will be definitely successful and useful, and it will get some awareness among the young people. Because the young people nowadays, whenever that people are going on the road, when I see they are themselves, they are talking something that is going on. Oh, they are going on. Oh, they are going on as like.
Sir, you are not audible, clear audible, sir. Sir, Ravisankar, sir. Sir, you are not clear audible, sir. Please unmute your audio.
Okay, clear now?
Yeah, okay, fine, sir. Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Carry on.
That's why we must be equal and we must respect them and we must give all opportunities to them. The government is giving opportunities to them, okay? But we people, whatever opportunities we are ready to give, whatever help to them, and we must do it. Definitely, people will come up, and we must cooperate them, and we must think them as people. And this program definitely will useful to the participants, and it's a great awareness to the young people, because people, they are going to the future generation of India, the future of India. So you must think, you must make them as equal to you. That's why this program will get success. And I wish Dr. Rajesh for conducting this program, and our speaker, Dr. Preeti Gadekar sir, he will very elaborately give the account about the discriminations for the transgenders, and what are the discriminations, and how should be avoided, and how they must come up. And he will give I hope a very good speaker, and definitely I hope that the program will success. And again, I thank Dr. Rajesh for having put the efforts to conduct this program. I wish the program all the best. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your effective and valuable delivery of the felicitation address. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. Now I would like to invite and introduce the resource person, Mr. J. Bennett Rajathurai sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, Bishop Caldwell College, Thuthukudi, and Tamil Nadu. This person is very proud of the invite this event. Is a UG a university rank holder, and PG also university rank holder, and so many research papers and publication and conference of the seminars, and organizing secretary for the seminars. I am very proud of the invite Mr. Bennett Rajadhuri sir. Sir, welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to hand over the session today resource person Bennett Rajadhuri sir. Sir, welcome, sir. Please take it, sir.
Yeah, please. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. Audible, sir. Carry on.
Yes. Very good morning to each and everyone who gathered here. First of all, let me thank my God Almighty who gave this chance. என்னை வாழ வைத்த தமிழ் மண்ணுக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். தமிழ் இல்லையேல் நான் இல்லை, அன்னை இல்லையேல் தமிழ் இல்லை. So let me thank all the people, especially Dr. Sundaram sir, principal. Then I sincerely thank my Dr. L. Ravishankar sir, head of the department and IQC coordinator. And also I sincerely thank Dr. K. Rajesh, organizing secretary of this event, for successfully carrying out the 6 days national webinar regarding the discrimination issues and all. So let me sincerely thank you, sir, for your hard work. Still, you are putting great effort to conduct this event as a great success. And let me sincerely thank you for selecting me to deliver a lecture on transgenderism regarding that. So I was very happy. Yeah, participants, I request you to mute your audio, please, to avoid interruption, please. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I won't take much time, but I will try to finish in my time. So let me thank you, Rajesh sir, for introducing me about myself.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Once again, I thank all the people who's behind this webinar. Sincerely thanking you all, sir, the principal sir, as well as your dignities and your secretary peoples, and the people who are in the committees of your college, your students, as staff, faculty members, each and everything. I thank you sincerely, sir. Okay, without taking much time, I get into the session. And today, sir, can you allow me to share my screen, sir? Rajesh, sir? Yes. Okay, sir. Today let us see about. Hello, am I audible?
Audible.
Yeah, yes, please. Okay, today let us see about transgender. transgender issues to be tackled. As an assistant professor, I have worked in transgender issues, and I have published more than 5 papers in transgender issues alone. And I guided many students in transgender field as well in UG as well as PhD scholars. So I have a in-depth knowledge. I have a very close relationship with the transgender people who is in power and authority, as well as the lay people also. So it is my great prestige and privilege to present my paper here regarding transgenderism and issues to be tackled. Okay, so now what is transgenderism? Sex is about what you are born with, gender is what you recognize, and sexuality is what you discover. Kimmel quotes sociological contents West and Don Zimmerman about the argument that gender was less a component of identity, fixed, static, that we take with us into our interactions, but rather the product of these interactions. Emphasizing the social concept of gender, they argued that a person's gender is not simply an aspect of what one is, but more fundamentally, it is something that one does and does recurrently in interaction with others. Okay, so now let us start from the sex itself. What is sex? Sex is nothing but sex is a biological differences between men and women. What is gender? Gender is nothing but gender is a cultural differences between a man and a woman. So the gender difference is sex, right? For best example, in Tamil Nadu, in we people in early morning, our mom or our sisters wake up in early in the morning and they do something, and they do something regarding the religious aspect. They went to temple and getting religious aspect in the early morning itself. So what are the customs, traditions that followed by women, that is automatically generalized and characterized by such gender? So gender is nothing but sex is a biological differences between a men and a women. Gender is a cultural difference. What they are doing that we can't do, and what we are doing that they can't do. That's the cultural differences between men and women. That is called as gender. So now let us talk about transgender. What is transgender? So transgender is nothing but changing of gender from one gender to another gender is called as transgender. Again, I'm telling you, changing of gender from one to another is called as transgender. What is the need to be transgender, sir? Many people ask me, sir, nowadays people are changing, sir. Nowadays people are, in early days, very few people were in transgender. But now you see plenty of people are in transgender. So many people were asking me some questions, sir, why these people are doing like this? Sir, why they are changing the gender? Sir, why they are, suddenly why a man becoming woman? Suddenly why is a woman trying to become a man? So let me very clearly explain you within a short sum of time, according to my knowledge and my wisdom, right? So let me start beginning. Participants, please, I request you to mute your audio, please. Yeah, thank you. Okay, see, as we told very clearly about sex and gender, now we are going to talk about transgender. Trans is nothing but transformation. See, I'm changing my gender as a girl by the way of transgender. Okay, now what I'm asking, now what I'm telling you, now you may ask, sir, what is the transgender people have? How they do this? How are they going for operation? And what they are struggling, sir? What and all the rules to be followed to become a transgender? See, you can't simply become a transgender immediately. There are some certain rules, there are some certain norms, there are some certain regulations followed by them, and within them only they will only carry you, and they only will follow you in the transgender areas. See, for example, I will show you the best example here. Okay, this is a hierarchical system of hijras. Transgender is often used as an umbrella to signify individuals who defy rigid binary gender constructions and who expresses or present a breaking and blurring of culturally prevented stereotypically gender roles. So this is the general, this is a schedule, this is a timetable, and this is the leadership regulations for a transgender. See, first one is a Nayak. They are followed by 3 gurus, and that 3 gurus followed by 3 chela, and each chela have a grand chela. What do you mean by grand chela? Is nothing but adapting child. A chela, in Tamil they will say chele. Unna yaru chela eduthirukkranga, right? In English, grand chela is nothing but adapting. Say if a chela adapted 8 children. That in the sense, if a chela is responsible for the 8 transgender, and she will be automatically transferred to guru. In guru post you can't attend that much easily. In guru post, what is the value of this guru? They will monitor all the transgender people. They will guide the people, and they will follow the people, and they will give all the assistance to the people. Because once a transgender left from his home, he was not allowed to stay in this home. So they will stay in one particular place, and they will go for baking, and they will go for dancing, and they will go for sexual activities, and they go for some other things. So they will be under the care of, first of all, they will be under the care of chela, grand chela. Then they will be care of chela, and they will be shifted to guru. Finally, Nayak is nothing but they're a leader. For example, Tamil Nadu transgender leader, Maharashtra's transgender leader. So there will be leaders for the system. So they will follow accordingly. So this is the systematic for this. This is the systematic progress of the transgender people. Okay. So another thing, these are some biblical view of transgender, how they came, and what are the reasons for the transgender people. Yeah. So these are simple biblical view for the transgender people. And transgender identifying terms, there are many countries who use differently terms for identifying transgender. In India, they will call this hijras. In South India, they'll call jogapa. In southern Iraq part, they will call this mustard gill. And Burma, occult, woman, Zanith, and Thailand, Katoi, and Philippines, boycott. So these are those terms to call transgender people by this name. Okay, now let us go for the problems. Being a transgender, what are the problems faced by a transgender, right? So let me start from the social problems, right? Problems faced by transgender can be explained using simple social expression framework. I have made this presentation in a simple and lucid way that means everyone can understand easily. So that's why we have framed it like this. Okay, social problems, economic and health problems, political problems, and legal problems. So these are the major 4 problems that transgender people having faced this much problems in their level. Let us go for social problems. Family members often do not support transgender. A variety of problems that include verbal and physical abuse, isolation and rejection, denial of family property are faced by transgender in the family itself. Society often stigmatizes and discriminate transgender based on the sexuality or gender identity. Social stigma includes being looked down upon, labeling a negative generalized attitude towards such as sex worker or sex solitaires. This is a major problem faced by a transgender. If I have a transgender baby, I'm not at all willing to have him or have her along with me in my family, because what I thought, having her in my family is a shame on me, it's a shame to me, and other family members will not recognize me. So for this aspect, many family members never support, never keep their transgender children along with me. Now let me tell upon one thing. Why I'm a boy. What is the need for me to go for operation? What is the need for me to go for change of transgender? What is the need? Need is nothing but what I'm telling you very clearly. If I'm a boy, my thinking will be like a girl. My attitude will be like a girl. My future thinking, my future planning, everything will be like a girl. Now what I'm telling now you may think that this is not a matter. Why they want to change their gender? I'll tell you a beautiful example. There are plenty of men, there are plenty of women who are having different ideas, different thinking regarding their sex itself. So first of all, now what they will think, they tell, for many people, if they see pornography, they'll be happy. If they have sexual intercourse, they will be happy. If they read some sexual content book, they will be happy. Very few of them will be happy on having sexual intercourse with transgender. Why they are having transgender? Because the transgender people are basically, excuse me, Kavita ma'am, please mute your audio. Hello. Okay, thank you. So these are those. First of all, the family members never often support the transgender. They never willing to take care of their baby, and they never will allow their baby to be in the home also. So this is a major social problem for the transgender. So for being discriminated from their family members itself. Another thing, social stigma. That's another problem. Social stigma is a major code by the sociological concept. If you go for social stigma, that lies many things. There are labeling, negative generalized attitudes such as sex, as workers, sexuality also. Another field where there is community feels neglected or inheritance of property or adoption of child. They are often pushed into periphery as a social outcast, and many may land up begging and dance. See, for example, I'm a transgender. I want to get a job. See, if I come for a company, means they won't give me a job. They won't recognize me as a gender. They won't allow me to work in a particular institution. So what automatically do? I have to live in the society. I have to survive for myself. I have to eat and I have to stay somewhere. I have to go somewhere. So what I will do for my own, what I will do for my own earning, I will go for begging. So see, somebody will think if all transgender are sex worker. No, 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 no. All of the transgenders are sex worker. None of the trans worker willing, never ever willing to do the sex work also. See, for like ourselves, they're also having the same feeling. Like ourselves, they also have the same mentality. Like ourselves, they are also having the same hardships what we are struggling through. So what is there? In spite of that, there is no way. There is no way of living. So that's way many of them choosing as a sex worker, right? Okay, the transgender people are doing sex worker. What they will do? They don't have vaginal, right? So what is sex? Sex is nothing but we are having a vaginal intercourse with a man or a woman. That is called as sex. That is approved sex. Having a vaginal to penis interaction is called as sex. That is legally approved. That is only government of India, not only government of India.
Upload the subscription your YouTube channel to accept your
What they
feedback.
will do? They will go for. Yeah, they will go for. They will go for. Excuse me, Kavita ma'am. Please, somebody mute her, please. Kindly, somebody take actions against Kavita ma'am, please. Rajesh sir is here. Kindly mute her, sir. Okay, thank you. So what they will do? Immediately they will go for begging as well as dancing in the road, as well as they go for CSW. So not an issue. So what is the problem? Major problem. Social problems are nothing but they are going through every day. Not only I'm having a fever for one day. That is a problem, not a problem. I'm having a problem for daily fever for daily. That's a problem. Similarly, the transgender people daily facing social problems in the society. So that is a major problem. So what they will do? They will go for oral intercourse. They will go for as well as anal intercourse. So while having anal intercourse, we each and everyone know while having anal intercourse is not an acceptable one, and it may leads to HIV infection. Why today now plenty of transgender people are having HIV infection? Why? Because they go for anal intercourse, they go for oral intercourse. So these are all illegal. These are all these are all unacceptable and unethical. But they don't have any life to survive there. There is no way for them to survive. So for the sake of the local people, they have been working as a sex worker as not willingly. So this is another point you have to remember. And another thing, yeah, please. Another thing, they even engage themselves as sex worker. I told you very clearly last point. They even engage themselves because there is a need for social acceptance of transgender group. For instance, there is no space available for them for say in hospital ward. The authorities do not admit them to women's ward. That's another problem. If a transgender, if a man changing from women, they will be called as women only in the transgender language, and they won't be accepted in women toilet itself. Yeah, so there is a discrimination of transgender people in all level, Uh, okay. Okay, another thing is economic problem. So see, if a man became a transgender and he came out of the home and he was staying under the control of chela, yeah, he want to earn something to give them because they need money for the surveillance. Then what they will do? They will go for baking as well as dancing as well as CSW as I told you earlier. So how long they can do? How long they can do? My question is how long they can do? How long they can go for dancing? How long they can go for CSW? And how long they can go for baking? So there is a economic problem for the transgender also. Many people will say, sir, transgender people in Bombay, they are having lot of buildings there. Transgender people in Delhi, they are having a lot of buildings in Delhi there. Transgender people in Gujarat, they are living a luxurious life. Transgender people never live a luxury life. The people who are controlling them, they will lead a luxury life. Because what is the problem? See, if I'm a transgender, if I'm going for baking as well as doing some earning some, I'm not having any authority to use that, give them to the chela, and the chela and that the money will go to the Nayak. That Nayak will distribute the money evenly. Okay, so they lead a luxurious life, and they yeah, that is there. The luxurious life is there. They're having buildings. This is true, but although transgenders not having buildings, all the transgender not having own land, all the transgender not having own vehicle, because many people have many economic problem. First of all, why they came from, what is the main problem now? Many of the transgender don't have a education system. Because see, if a child go through, if a person recognize his gender in the childhood itself, means surely he or she will not go for school. They will feel shy. Similarly, most of the transgender people are school dropouts. Yeah, this is my research paper. Most of the transgender people are school dropouts. Very few in Tamil Nadu. I have seen many transgender leaders. In every year, there will be a function in Kotandam, Miss Kovam and Kotandam function. So we used to go there as a chief guest. So once I went there, I have encountered many people in the authority. I'm asking, sir, what is your educational qualification? Sir, I have learned only 8th standard. I have learned only 6th standard. I learned only 10th standard. Very few of them now becoming aware of education, and now they are studying. I think so. Within the 10 years only, the people of transgender people having started to study to improve their career. So similarly, gays and bisexuals, especially after voluntary involuntary disclosure of their sexuality, face a lot of stigma and discrimination in schools itself. We should teach our children. If you see any transgender students in the school, we should not neglect them. We should not neglect them. That is a major responsibility for us to enrich our children, to give aware of transgender people also, because they are also human. They are also human. They never did any wrong. They never did any fault. Somehow they're born in the society, and we have to recognize the people who are in transgender. Okay, opportunity, they are forced into sex work. I told you very clearly last time itself, previously, opportunities. So they were forced into sex work and baking. While some transgender manage to sustain their job in spite of stigma and discrimination in workplace, most of them resign their jobs without tolerating stigma and discrimination. This is a real code to be understood by each and every Indian. Though they are also having the feeling, they are also want to recognize themselves in a way, but due to many discrimination problem, they are voluntarily resign their jobs. I know plenty of people who work in an organization. They once they work in an organization, they will automatically resign their post. I will go and ask them, what's the problem and why you came out of the job? Bennett, sir, you don't know. I'm facing lot of problems there. Lot of abuses are going there, sir. I can't tell anything to everyone. I can't tell each and everything to you also. So these are the problem. These are the fact. These are the discrimination process they are facing. Already they are totally hurted. Already they are totally broken that they are being a transgender. They doesn't know where to go. I'm a man or a woman, and where should I stay? They doesn't know. Already they are broken, and now this society also, and we are like a holy people. No, the transgender people also having many things. in their mind, and many people voluntarily resign their jobs by not able to tolerate sexual abuse as well as social discrimination in the work field itself. That also, and variety of multiple level factors such as lack of adequate education, yeah, lack of employment opportunities, and lack of familial support, but put the male born sexual minorities at risk of contracting HIV. As I told you very clearly, the people who are having the transgender people, all the transgender peoples are not sex workers. Due to some various circumstances, various push factor as well as pull factor, they went into sex worker. There they face major problems, that they having the high risk of contracting HIV. So I have been working in a HIV institution for 6 months. There many people will come. Many people will come by hiding their faces. They also will come. One day I asked them, ma'am, how it is possible for a transgender to having the HIV positive? And they told me very clearly, that time only I came to know, having anal course with a man or transgender, that may leads to having a risk of HIV. So these are the major another problem faced by the transgender people. Okay. Similarly, they are having the reproductive health also. They are having many health issues also. In particular, most transgender persons does not get adequate state support. Yeah, even the family does not giving any support, means how the state will give the support. Even we the friends, even we are the faculty, even we are the friends zone. We know many people who are working along with us. Even many people in our family, many people will be there, some people will be there. Even we are not tolerating them, means then how we can tell the state to shoot that what state cannot do everything. See, change should start from ourselves. We doesn't do anything, means, and nobody will do anything. So so for okay, in particular, most transgender person does not accept get adequate state support for sex transition surgeries such as hormone administration, emasculation, and breast augmentation surgery. What is this surgery, sir? Many people will ask me, sir, what they will do, sir? Many people ask me, sir, what they will do and what they will have, sir. See, transgender people, all transgender people do not have like a girl, right? So for being like a girl, they will go for injection. They will put on injection that will work for 3 hours. Yeah, that will work for particularly 3 to 4 hours as like a girl. That time only they will feel like a girl. You see, many transgender people will come out from night only. Those who are doing this CSWO, they will come for evening only, because for the 3 hours they will be like a girl. So there are many surgery processes are there, how to change the gender from one to another, like sex transition surgeries, as well as hormone administration, emasculation, as well as blood document surgery. There are many surgeries. These surgeries are costly, and for this surgery nobody will give money. And for this surgery, the transgender go to begging, or they have to go for this surgery. The transgender who want to change his or her gender, they have to give their own money. For this own money, they will go for begging, and they will go for some other things, and they will go for some other antisocial activities also. This include the impact of discrimination and social stigma and healthcare access for rural and urban transgender individuals. The research was conducted using the self-identified transgender individuals in society. Yes, various I have conducted regarding the transgender people alone. So what are the problems, sir? Why they are doing like this? What happened to the people, and why and how they are tolerating? Because once they came out from the home, they will face many problems. First of all, they will face emotional problem. See, yesterday till, for example, daily I was seeing my mom, I was seeing my dad, and after becoming transgender, I'm not able to see my mom, I'm not able to see my dad, I'm not able to ask anything from my chela, not my Nayak class like my mom and dad. So many problems faced by the transgender from the family level, as well as social level, as well as society level. Okay, 4 major themes emerge in these discussions. 4 major themes. Transgender individuals feel that better healthcare providers' attitudes and behavior towards them belie a lack of personal respect, and believe that their healthcare is compromised as a result. So nowadays, having a healthcare for transgender is a major problem. they will go for only a, medical government hospital only. In government hospital, they won't treat it that much easier. They will not take in that adequate care, and there is a lack of care in government hospital also. Not in government hospital, that they will not provide much care for the local people also. And how is it possible for a transgender who for having this and all? Trans-assisted healthcare is implemented by physicians and health insurance companies do not recognize a gender transition, who do not recognize gender transition as medical necessary. Anti-trans discrimination in both rural and urban communities leads trans individuals to expect similar treatment from healthcare providers. So another thing is that participation. Prior is a need to increase the number of healthcare professionals who are well educated on transgender health concerns and the importance of advocacy and social support in facilitating healthcare access. Yeah, this is a major problem because in transgender, many of the people are uneducated. Very few people are educated, and this field should be tolerated. This field should be given much importance, and many research should be focused on the health aspects of the transgender people. So these are the major four points to be understand by the transgender. Okay, this is the political problems we all know. See, in India there is a caste hierarchy, gender hierarchy, gender discrimination, caste discrimination, everything is there. As a man, see, if I am a scheduled caste and I'm a scheduled tribe, I'm not able to having that. I'm not able to conquer with the people in the higher caste in a political way. Similarly, in the political problems of transgender also, they are playing having many problems in the political issues also. See, there are only two people. There are only two people in the parliament. For example, Shapna Masi became a member of parliament from Shoganpur in Madhya Pradesh, and Kamal Jan was elected as a mayor of Katni the same year. These odd instances have not significantly empowered large community. That's a strange truth, because these two are the people in the transgender are having a higher post in the Indian level, but they are also not able to do the similar changes, significant changes to their own community itself. Okay. Another thing, political problems we saw very clearly. Okay, legal problems. What are the legal problems for the transgender? Legal measures for the transgender. These are those legal issues. These are those legal measures for the transgender. Section 337 that criminalizes adult consensual homosexual relationship is private. Human and civil rights violation, especially for transgender. Lack of recognition for marriage. This is another problem that transgender can adopt. That okay. Let us go for the problems faced by transgender in workplace. Verbal abuse. So what do you mean by verbal abuse? Abusing one person by verbal, that is called as verbal abuse. Many people will tell me, Bennett, they are abusing me verbally. They are talking me like anything verbally, like they're talking itself. I came to know that I should not work in this particular institution. So many people will having this main problem in a verbal abuse in their workplace. And another thing, physical abuse. What do you mean by physical abuse? Is physical abuse and sexual abuse the same? No. Physical abuse is nothing but having physical abuse, nothing but they will abuse physically without knowing. Knowing or unknowing are called as physical abuse. See, I'm touching you. I'm touching a girl. For her, it is, she will think, what do you think? Okay, Sar is touching me. No, okay, it's a Sar touching me. But in my conscious, in my mind, if I thinking wrong and touching me, that is called as physical abuse. Sexual abuse is nothing but having directly sexually abused. That is, physical is direct or whether it's indirect, but sexual is directly abused, directly involved. And lack of adequate knowledge about sexual minorities, lack of freedom to expression. Now that is another problem. Transgender people have the lack of freedom to express their own views in social medias as well as in their mainstreams, right? Not providing importance to ideas, experience, and the expertise of sexual minorities. This is a major another problem for the transgender, not having providing a proper importance to idea to share the ideas and experience and expertise of sexual minorities. Lack of meaningful involvement of communities. Yeah, that's a strange one. That's a strange one because the community, many people in community level, there is a many lack of involvement. Okay, so these are the major problems that leads to stress, depression, and other mental health issues. Nowadays, many transgender people, they are also committing suicide. Nowadays, many transgender people, they are also going doing robbery. Nowadays, many transgender people, they are also working as a working as a antisocial element by doing murder, robbery, and even they are dealing with drugs also. So these are those problems. See, in every reaction, there's an equal and opposite reaction. In the if the transgender problem has been resolved in the family means they won't cross this much family problem, this much problem in socially, politically, in workplace as well as legally. The family failed to take care of their transgender people. The family throw away the people, the transgender. So that's the main problem. Still, it exists in the society. That lead to lot of depression, lot of agony, lot of stress, and also mental health issues. See, if a transgender came to a hospital, sir, I'm having a mental health means, how many of you will deal with them, and how many of us will talk to them politely, and how many of them will give a recovery from the mental stress? No, because we have our own thinking about transgender people. We have our own thinking. Sir, அவங்க அப்படிதான் sir. Sir, they are like that, sir. We don't want, sir. They don't. They are living very happily, sir. See, if a man's everybody having their own perspective and everybody having their own problem in emotionally as well as their mindsets also. So similarly, transgender people are also having many stress. They are going to many depressions and also they are having many mental issues also. See, recently I met one Sela, and she told me, sir, nowadays we are not able to go for anywhere, sir. If you don't mind, can you give me 100 rupees, sir? Immediately I gave her 1,000 rupees, and she started crying immediately. As why you're crying? Sir, no, sir, nobody will give 10 rupees, sir, in this COVID, in this time. Nobody giving me 10 rupees, but you have given me 1,000 rupees, sir. You are really a god, sir. I told very clearly. So don't do like that. Don't like big words and all. I'm like just a man. I just recognized you. The society never recognized you. That's the problem. I'm again telling you. See, every people born. See, I told you very clear. My professor used to tell me, the child is not born, that is made. Sociology is not born, they are made, right? So similarly, transgender people also, see, if I born as a trans, it is not my sin. It is not my mother's sin. It is not my family's sin. Somehow I brought as a transgender, that's all. But neglecting them lead to great depression, lead to great stress. You may tell, sir, you know one thing, transgender people are dealing with sex worker, transgender people are going for alcoholism, transgender people are going for drugs. Why they go for this and all? What is the need for them to go on this and all? What are the pushback and push factor and pull factor that begin this problem is the family, the society, the people. We neglecting them, we are keep on abusing them, in verbally, physically, sexually, whatever and all we can do, we are doing them, and we are blaming them also. That is the main thing. Many people will vote for actually my area of study is about sex worker and transgender only. Many people will tell, stop sexual work, but they still will go for the sexual work. See, this is what our society is going on. We will tell this many things like this. Transgender people are doing this, they are doing antisocial elements, they are dealing with drugs, they are drinking alcoholism, and they are changing many people. What is the need for that? See, in every reaction there is an equal and opposite reaction. A coin has both sides. You have to see what are the factors, what are the hidden factors begin. That means you will came to know what is reality and what is in the expression. So many transgender people, in my research, in what I have personally researched means, in my research, many people having stress. Sir, I don't have mother, sir. I want to see my father, sir, but he never accepted me, sir. I want to see my sister, sir, but they will not accept me, sir. So whatever they told, if you hear the story of transgender, if you're having humanity, surely you will cry. So that much problem they are facing the society. And still nowadays, do you know, this is a COVID time. Government has put 144. Nobody has to go to, nobody is allowed to go to anywhere. Any one of you, have you think about it? Any one of the people, have you think about it? Have you helped them personally? We did. We personally went to the places, and we personally give a food to them, and personally give money to them, because humanity is nothing. We have, when you are helping to someone, you will be a god, you will be a god's angel for them. So these are those problems, the problems faced by transgender in workplace. This leads to stress, depression, and other mental health issues. So let us go to another slide. Conclusion. So as I told you very clearly, these are the major factors that transgender people are facing the problem each and every day. This is a major factor. So now what we are going to do, the topic is superb topic, superb topic. That's a great topic. The college has initiated discrimination. Now you have to tell me whether discrimination start from ourselves or others self. So this is the right time that you have to take a decision. I will tell you one thing. Still transgender people are suffering a lot. Many people will ask and tell me, sir, Bennett sir, nowadays many people changing from one gender to another gender, sir. I think the transgender people are doing something vigorously, so that's why they are changing. No. I have met many transgender leaders, and I asked many things regarding them. Ma'am, you are changing that. In Chennai, one NGO is there, Nirangal, and I used to visit frequently. They will tell, Bennett, if small people came for operation, we never do that. They itself having humanity, why not we are not having? They will told me, Bennett, if small people come for operating for transgender change of sex, we never do. We never go for that. Many institutions, many NGOs are doing that. They are helping the people, not by doing operation, by saving the people, right? So as I told you very clear, I used to tell my students, man is a social animal. We're all animal, right? So we will act accordingly. If we are hungry, we easily hunt someone. So this is what going on here. So these are the major problems faced by the people who are transgender, who are working in a workplace, as well as in family level, as well as in social level, in society level. In society, many people will call them, in Tamil they will call us Aravani. சார் அவங்க 9 சார், சார் அவங்க அரவணை சார், அவங்களாம் பேசக்கூடாது சார். No. In in Hindu view, transgender, if you go for Maharashtra, they will respect a lot, because they were considered as God, is one of the avatar of Krishna. So they will be highly valid, they will be highly appreciated, they will be highly accepted by the people. In Tamil Nadu, in other states, it is really a horrible one. It is very, very tough task for the transgender people, for their surveillance also. We people never allow them to survive also. So that much problem they are facing. Already they were broken being a transgender. See, I'm a physically challenged person, right? I'm a physically challenged person. So I know my pain. What are the pain I'm going through? What see, if I feel sometime means, it directly hurts me. Why I fell down today? What happened to me? Should I do something? Should I go for a doctor? Should I meet a doctor to reduce my weight? Should I take care of myself properly? So being a disability, it hurts me a lot. Being a transgender, they doesn't know they are man or a female. If they go for female toilet, they never recognize. If they go for gen toilet, they will go for directly sexual abuse as well as physical abuse. So they are not able to go here also. They are not able here also. They are not. They are accepted, and there also they are not accepted. Where they will go? See, India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. We are daily doing the pledge, and we are not accepting transgender as a brother or a sister. Yeah, that's the main problem we are facing through us. So what finally I'm telling you, if you see a transgender, if you are not in a situation to help, I mean, giving some rupees, or giving food and give them, or giving some other clothes, you are not in a situation to help them, please don't hurt them. Please don't hurt them, because what we do, that will reflect one day. So by concluding this speech, let me thank Dr. Rajesh and the entire team of this college for giving me a golden opportunity to present a paper regarding the problems faced by the transgender people in the Indian level. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. God bless. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. You are effective and clearly explained to the transgenderism. Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, participants open to all. If you have any clarification, any doubts, any discuss about the resource person, please feel free ask to the resource person. Please, anybody there?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Roshan
Yes,
Kumar,
sir.
sir. Please.
Myself. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Sir, my question is with Sir Bennett Rajadurai, sir. With that, what changes must become in the mind of parents who has a transgender baby?
Yeah, first of all, they should accept this is their children. See, they are immediately when they came to know that this children is having some attitude regarding like a boy, like a girl means immediately they were sending in Tamil Nadu in Tuticorin. In my research, I have asked many people. I have asked interviewed many young transgender people. I asked, hey, where you came from out of my home? What he told me immediately, Bennett sir, when my parents came to know that I am a transgender, they immediately sent me one hostel. In that hostel only I came to know that I'm a transgender. I feel very shy of it. Immediately came out from my hostel also, and I'm staying in the control of a Sela. So this is a problem. Sir, if the family recognize the people of transgender means there will be no more problems, sir. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, my next question is that
Yeah, please,
in
sir.
the new education policy 2020, whether the transgender will get the 100% admission in the education institution, and any strict actions will be taken by the government regarding this,
Yes, sir, sir. There are
as they
many. Yeah.
are the major dropouts from the institution earlier in the previous education policy.
Yes, sir.
They
Yes,
were
sir.
avoided from the schools and offices. So in the new educational policy 2020, whether the transgender will get the 100% admission?
Sir, if you frame, sir, without changing comes from ourselves. If we frame whatever the bill passed in the parliament, it won't work out, sir. Change should come from our side. See, if I'm a transgender, I'm working in our school. If there is no discrimination from your side, it means surely I will working. If I'm studying in your school, you are supposed to be my teacher. And if you're not in a situation, and if you're not and you are not discriminating means surely I will be teaching, studying with you. Surely I will be a student with you. So why I want to school, why I want to, as a transgender, see, I'm not transgender, as telling as example, see, as a transgender, why should I leave from the school? Why should I leave from the office? Why should I leave from my home? Because I watch this very clearly, and I'm seeing the face of my family, and seeing the face of my faculties, and seeing the face of my co-workers. That hurts me a lot, and immediately once I get depressed and once I mentally distressed, immediately I was in a deviation. I was in a deviation. I was pushed into the deviation. Okay, no, thanks a lot. So we have to move from there, and I need to stay alone. That is the only thing. So change should start from ourselves. So if the people, if the institution, if the office, if the organization accept in a broad way means surely, sir, surely the transgender people will study. There are many other factors also there. There are many other factors also that depends upon the family situation also there. Still, but nowadays we have talked to the many parents, and many parents have been adopting their children, sir. Thank you.
So my last question: any message for all of us who are living a normal life apart from the transgender?
Yes, sir. I told you. Yeah. Yes, sir. It's such a beautiful question, sir. Actually, I told you very clearly, sir. I told him, no, if you see a transgender, if you have money, you can give something. If by giving them dress, giving them food and all. Yeah. Yeah. If it is not possible, better to avoid hurting themselves. That's all. Because see, sir, baking is not an easy one. Baking is not
Yes,
an
sir.
easy one, sir. See, I'm
Yes,
doing
yes.
social work. I'm doing social work and all. I go for each and every village. I collect money from each and every people in my student level as well faculty level, and I gave food to them, and I gave dresses to them, and give any social work to them. I'm making that time only I came to know, oh, getting sponsorship, it's not an easy one. I'm asking sponsorship it itself is not an easy one. Means, see, I will see the things. We should think about the situation of the baking, sir. See, I should raise my two hand and ask money for, it entirely collapsed myself, it entirely collapsed my family, it entirely collapsed without anything. See, as a mad, I'm raising my hand, I'm giving you as a tangent, sir, give me something, means it hurts a lot, sir. Baking hurts a lot. Somebody will tell, hey, say Becker, if you don't mind, sir, take a great initiative and go for the village and get sponsorship from someone that you came to know, and what is the value of baking, and what is the value of getting sponsorship, and what is the value of helping the poor and needy. Thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot, sir. This is the marvelous session. What the to organize such a webinar for all of us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Roshan Kumar Mishra, sir. Thank you, Roshan Kumar Mishra, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
Roshan Kumar, sir, if you doubt clearly, sir. Yeah, Roshan Kumar, sir. Any doubt, sir? Any other here? Anybody?
No doubt, sir. And thanks a lot from the core of my heart to all the managing committee, IQ coordinator, principal sir, Bennett Rajadurai sir, and you, my lovable Dr. K. Rajesh sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, Anil Kumar, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Very good morning.
Can I proceed my question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Welcome. Sir, my question is to resource person. They are actually my question already posted in chat box.
Tell me, sir.
Hello.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Yes. I have already posted my question to chat box, but couldn't pick up till now. My question is to honorable resource person. There are many misconceptions in society regarding the transgender. Actually, what should we do for the betterment to not only transgender person, but what should be done for the improvement of our mental status towards the transgender person?
Sir, voice is not audible, sir.
Question is not clear? Okay,
yeah,
clear.
Sir, yeah, please tell me again, sir. Please, sorry.
It is clear, sir?
Yeah, now, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Anil Kumar, sir, tell me again your question, sir. Not clear, audible.
Okay.
Not clear, audible.
Yeah. Okay. Some technical issues, I think so. It's sleeping in
my. Sir, my question is to resource person.
Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. What should we do as a human being towards the transgender? Actually, there are many misconceptions still alive in the society.
Yes, sir.
If actually, just before a participant asked the question, what should we do if a transgender baby is born?
Yes.
Actually, there are fear among the person in the society. If a baby is born with transgendership, they will carry by the transgender person.
Yes, sir.
Actually, what type of this our thinking, our attitude should be changed, or what should we do for the positivity?
Yes, sir. Beautiful question, sir. Anil Kumar sir, sincerely, and thank you from the bottom of the heart. As you asked a beautiful question.
Ji. Yeah.
Yeah. See, sir, see, what should we do? Yeah. Nice question, sir. It's a sociological concept. I think you might be a great sociologist in future. See, sir, what should we do? Sir, we don't want to do anything, sir. We don't want to do anything. See, for example, uh, we both are walking in a road. We both
Okay.
are walking in a road, sir. Right? I'm a physically challenged person, and you are you are giving your hand to. We both are hanging together, keeping our hands together.
Yeah.
If I fell down, what will you do? Immediately you will take it. But sir, please take it. Are you okay? Are you okay, sir? Everything is okay. That is fine.
Yeah.
In the case of a drunken person,
Yeah.
if a drunken person fell down, if you saw means what will you do?
Yes, sir.
One thing you will tell is you will blame them in your heart itself, right? This fellow is
Yes.
a drunken one, and we don't want to help anyone, right? Similarly, nowadays they easily people are trying to hurt transgender very easily, sir. Very
Yeah.
easily. Now many people nowadays, many young people, sir, many young people are changing their gender.
Yeah. Yes.
Many young people. So we immediately what we did, we went to the colors in Chennai only colors is a NGO. There only they are going for operation. Before going for operation,
Yes. Yes.
there will be a great there will be a 3 hours class for them. Don't go for operation. If you go for operation, you will be hurted a lot. They will tell many things. Why, in spite of that, why they are good? Why they are going for changing of organs means they have struggled a lot before transgender
Yes,
itself. Before changing their gender itself, they are struggling a lot by their attitude itself. See, if I'm a boy, I'm talking like a girl, I'm walking like a girl means the people will start blaming. See, he's like a transgender. He's doing like a transgender. It hurts a lot, and
Yes.
it make him to go for changing of organ. That makes him to that main thing makes him to change his gender, and then only he will become a transgender. Because before making transgender itself, he's having a problem. Sir,
Yes.
before changing my gender itself, I'm having a problem in the family level, in the school level. If I going to school, if I going to college, the people will blame me. See, he's liking a transgender. He's walking like a transgender. He's sitting like a transgender. His gestations, everything is like a transgender. So these are those factors that affect the people, that individual to become a transgender, sir. So what we have to do, sir? I tell you many things. I will tell what I'm trying to tell is never ever try to avoid the
Of course.
never
Of
ever
course. Yes.
never
Yes.
ever
Yes.
try
Of
to
course, sir.
hurt them. Never ever try to hurt them, sir, because
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
hurting itself makes a lot of difference, sir. See, nowadays many people going for suicide also. Recently, 2 people died, met suicide in the train, in a local goods train. So we went there and we given we went there for research. What they told me, sir, they don't have food, sir. They went for begging. Many people told them, we itself don't have food. Why we want to give you
Sir,
food?
sir, has it become a fashion to change the gender in a society, or the impact of the Western culture? As you know, already before a long time, Durkheim, a
Yeah.
scholar from the sociology, has already stated that some changes will come in the society as it moves ahead.
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Lord, sir.
Thank you, Anil Kumar Sharma, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Sir.
okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes,
Sir.
Sanjay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Kindly tell me that whether the first thinking of the transformation of gender comes from the family issue or genetically.
Sorry, sir.
Sir, thinking of transformation of gender,
Ah,
it comes from the genetical factor or family issue.
sir, actually, see, recently, one scientific survey has done, sir. Why the transgender people are born, right?
Yes.
So what they told us, sir, while having intercourse with for a baby, while having intercourse, the people who are having the conceived mother after getting pregnancy, and during pregnancy, if they go for anal intercourse, means there is a high risk of getting a transgender baby. Recently they have given a scientific outputs. So in this regard, we can't blame family also, we can't blame genetic also, and we can't blame God also. Something
Yes.
happened wrong, sir. Something happened wrong. That may be in a family level. See, nobody knows. See, even I know. Even I doesn't know. I working in this transgender issue for more than 5 years. Even I
Yes.
doesn't know if we have anal intercourse, it may result in having transgender baby. Even I doesn't know. Recently, I
Yes.
came
Yes.
to know. Recently, scientific report they have produced in a World Health Organization. During pregnancy, if a mother have anal intercourse means
Yes.
there is a high risk of getting a transgender baby. I doesn't know how it is and all, but they have given a statement regarding this. So
Sir, one thing.
please.
This overlapping intercourse from the same husband or other person.
Yeah, same husband, sir. Same husband, sir.
Same. Okay.
Sir, let me tell you one thing very clearly about sex. Sir, sex is
Yes.
a biological, very powerful weapon, sir. Right?
Yes.
First of
Yes.
all, God permits, no, our Indian culture permits only having sexual intercourse with the vaginal and the penis intercourse. That is only sex. And we people, we yielded from Western culture, having a sexual intercourse with anal, having sexual intercourse with oral, having sexual
Yes.
intercourse wherever we need. Wherever somebody will tell there are 64 types of central sexes. Is there? No,
Yeah.
our country, our culture permits only one. Why? What is the need for having sex? Sex is nothing but having a child, bearing a child, rearing a child, and bearing child. For
Yes.
the formation of sex, marriage has been introduced. Marriage
Yes.
is nothing but having a stable and regular, healthy life with sex and having baby and rearing baby and having a baby. That's for the marriage. But we people after yeah, you asked a beautiful question, sir. Why nowadays many people are coming? It may be a chance also. It may be a chance also because
Also, yes.
yeah, because scientifically they are proving in WHO means there should be a value result there. They got told very clearly having anal intercourse during pregnancy it may result and it having high risk of having the transgender people also, sir. So in this regard we can't blame family level as well as genetical level as well as another level also, sir. Maybe or may not be, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Dinagar sir, please, sir. Please tell me.
Sir, I'm a student from PSG Arts and Science College, sir, Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
My question is that in what way awareness should be spread among the people regarding the transgender?
Sir, I'm not getting audible. Please, can you tell me again, Dinagar?
Sir, in what way the awareness should be spread among the people, sir?
Sir, actually, see,
about the transgender.
See, actually, government as well as NGOs as well as many people giving awareness to the people itself, each and every family itself, that don't allow your children to go anywhere. If it is a transgender, if she or he founds to acting like similarly, don't allow your children to anywhere. Don't allow your children to anywhere. This is our humble request to each and everyone. But what they do, automatically the child will do something in the home. See, for example, if I'm a boy, I wish to use the dress of my sister. I wish to put my dress of my mom. So these are those factors which they doesn't recognize and they doesn't want to be here also. So these are those factors they immediately drive the child from their home. So what I'm telling you, first of all, they need counseling, and we see recently we have recovered 16 young boys from operation. We told them very clearly, hey, listen, man, you are a man. First of all, you are a man. You have to have sex with only a boy or only a girl, not with a boy. God created you, and you will be getting a marriage with a woman, and you will be having a child. And we have given beautiful counseling to them. And so far, I can proudly say I have recovered more than 16 people from before going to operation as a transgender. So what I'm telling, we need counseling, sir. Counseling is a wider area, sir. Dinagar sir, counseling and all, simply they will tell we need counseling. Counseling is a major area. Counseling, if we talk, actually I am working as a counselor also for a divorce case. In many divorce case, they will come. We will talk to them. easily everything will be solved, and they will, once they apply for divorce case, many people have tear the divorce case and they were going together, come let us live a life together. So what is that? Counseling. For counseling we have to give much importance. No, don't worry my dear, நீ ஆம்பளை தான்டா, கண்டிப்பா உனக்கு நீ பொம்பளை தான், உனக்கு நல்ல ஒரு கல்யாணம் நடக்கும்டா, உனக்கு குழந்தை பிறக்கும்டா, surely you will be having a girl, you, as a wife surely you will be having a child, so don't worry, you are a child, you are a man. That much confidence if you given them means surely there is no chance of going for transgender, because the mother never speak to the person, the father never speak to the child. Then what he will do? What he will do? Where they are getting satisfaction, where they are getting much care and affection, surely they will go there only. So that is the main thing. If father and mother knows that my child or my boy and my girl having this problem means, immediately if they go for counseling, if immediately they give adaptive care means, adequate care means, easily we can recover it. Easily we can recover it. See gentlemen, each and every of us having a sexual instinct, right? Each and everyone having the similar thinking, but our culture never recognize such people. So we are having that things in our heart, in our mind, so that's why we are also not going there. If it is free for each and everything, see for example, government is giving a notification, if the people willing to, if people willing to change the sex from one to another, government gives a subsidy of 5 lakhs means, remember I can give you 100% assurity, in Tamil Nadu itself we can see 30% of the people can change their sex. Everybody having the changing, everybody having the feeling in there, but I'm as a man I never should do that, as a woman I shouldn't do that. That needs various forms, various level, various stages counseling. Yeah, if we give that counseling properly means, surely we can take up them, surely we can recover them, and surely we can make him as a man, as a girl in the society. Thank you, Dinagar sir. Yeah,
anybody there? Sir, Anil Kumar sir, Roshan sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what about the today's session, sir?
Marvelous,
Okay.
extremely awesome, and feel lucky to be a part of this session, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Rajesh ji,
Also.
Rajesh ji,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
outstanding, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Anil sir, outstanding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And
Thank you all.
and we are waiting also for the tomorrow's session.
Yeah, yes, sir.
In
Yes,
this
sir.
also
Tomorrow.
in the very most awaited.
Yeah,
Very
welcome, sir.
enthusiastic way.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Rajesh sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
already I requested you to choose some important topics related to the society in forthcoming webinars whenever you feel suitably.
Yeah, okay, sir. You contact me by privately, my WhatsApp number or my Telegram.
Yes,
number,
yes,
sir.
I noted.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank
Oh,
you.
thank
sir.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kindly give your WhatsApp number, then I will contact, na?
Yeah, okay, sir. I will send it to my number, sir.
Okay. You
Okay,
just
sir.
send me on my email ID.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you a lot.
Okay, thank you.
Have a
lot.
nice
Thank
day.
you.
Have a
Okay,
nice
sir.
day.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you,
Rakesh sir,
Thank you,
excellent
sir.
session arranged.
Yeah, okay, sir. Sir, Jeevan Lal, sir. Jeevan, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Very great to meet you, sir. Nice organization, sir. I congratulate.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very nice, sir.
Yeah. Bennett, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Rajesh,
thank
sir.
you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your effective and so many interactive session for today.
Yeah, thank
So
you,
I
sir.
am very happy, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
So I
you.
will
Sincerely.
very proud of this event today. Resource person, I invite you, the Bennett Rajadurai, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, sir.
Thank you, Rajesh sir. I sincerely thank each and everyone, and sincerely thank my wife for supporting me to deliver this great initiative lecture in this event. And sincerely thank you once again. I thank Dr. Rajesh Kumar sir. In future also, you have to take care and concern of these people who are discriminated in the society. And I hope so by your college or individually or group, and you will do a great thing for the discriminated people, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. God bless.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
a lot.
Thank you so much,
Thanks
sir.
a lot.
Nice presentation.
Okay, sir.
Participants, thank you so much for
Okay, sir.
your
Thank you.
supports.
Thank you,
We hope
Dr. G.
to
Sir.
see
Thank
you
you.
tomorrow at 10:30. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Sure.
Thank you so
Sure.
much. Thank you.
Okay.